relationship?
Egypt and Mike.
Yeah, okay. Y'all sure? You know what? That's more like y'all for real. This is a realtor, but she's a broker, and he's also a broker. This is they're a married couple, and they're here at my invested property. It's not clean yet, but they want to see what it looks like because we'll be selling it very, very soon.
Yes.
And they part of Central 21 XL. Okay.
Still Excel.
Excel.
Still
Okay.
Excel.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Aren't they cute? They're a cute couple, aren't they? Yes. So that's what y'all to see everything. Well, I want to see everything, but it hasn't been clean yet. So
Very nice.
Yeah.
She cannot wait to put it on the market.
okay. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
And yeah, I was just a little concerned and everything. I had to get some things taken care of. I was gonna go ahead and just sell this house because
I hear that. I
Yeah.
hear that. But hey, this is gonna be.
a lot of my emotions get to me. 'Cause, you know, this is my childhood neighborhood. Like my aunt literally lived right there.
Oh wow, for real?
Yeah, like the next street.
Oh wow.
Y'all go to Friendship?
Yep, friendship and everything. Matter of fact, I knew the mom who used to live here. She's no longer here and
Okay.
everything. And they passed it down to me, and I told her I let her know what's going on. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Gotcha.
But yeah.
Gotcha.
She said, "Girl, you can do what you gotta do." Like,
Yeah.
so,
Well,
yeah.
when do you think you'll be ready to? Well, I know I have to do some. I want to do a net sheet.
next, okay. Go ahead.
Um,
Do what now?
A net sheet for so you can get an idea of your proceeds.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. We're not gonna always be online because we talk about money too. So I'm gonna get off. Okay, y'all.
I'm sorry.
Bye.